Hey guys, welcome to Bam Boom Kitchen. Today we are making this 1-hour cinnamon roll. This recipe not only fast, but the bread also fluffy, feeling so gooey with a creamy cream cheese frosting. It's real delicious. Let's go make them. Mix water, butter, milk and sugar. Heat in the microwave or stove until the butter melted. Please note that we are using instant yeast in the recipe, not an active dry. In a large mixing bowl, combine flour and yeast. Mix well. Then add salt and mix again. Please remember, don't bring the yeast and salt into direct contact, because salt can kill the yeast. There will be no chance that your dough will rise. Add in the eggs. Mix. Then slowly add the melted butter mixture. Knead by hand for about 4 minutes. Of course, you can use a mixer with dough hook if you have one. You know your dough is the right texture if it doesn't really stick to your fingers with a light touch. Cover this in a plastic wrap. Let it sit at the counter for about 10 minutes so the gluten can relax a bit. In the meanwhile, preheat the oven to 200 degrees Fahrenheit, then turn it off when it reaches it. This is the place where you will allow the rolls to rise later. Let's make the fillings. Combine the melted butter, brown sugar, and cinnamon powder and mix well until smooth. Now our dough should be ready. Turn dough to flat surface. Roll out the dough. You want this to be about 12 by 9 inch rectangle. Spread on your cinnamon fillings into a nice even layer. Roll this up. Use your fingertips to make a nice spiral in the center. Pinch the seam. Cut this into 6 equal pieces. Place those pieces into a 10 by 8 inch pan that just been greased with butter. Don't worry if the pans look a little bit empty now, cause they are going to rise a ton. In the meantime, let's make the cream cheese icing. Just mix cream cheese, powdered sugar, and milk, mixing until it's nice and smooth. Finally, it's time to bake. Turn on the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Once the oven is preheated, bake the rolls for about 15 to 18 minutes. Our cinnamon rolls is ready. It looks and smells amazing. I'm just going to drizzle my cream cheese icing on top. Yummy! I hope you will enjoy this recipe. You can find the complete recipe in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I will see you guys all very soon. Bye guys!